Loves it. What you got there? I got one in my mouth. I got some on my pants.
Give her some more. Give her some more.
What did you? Oh, yucky. Yeah, yucky. Caca. Give me. Don't throw them. Oh, look, this is an especially interesting one. Yeah.
No, 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 no.
No. Oh, no. Caca. No. No. No.
No.
No. Oh, you're so sweet. Just exploring the world. So excited about it. So cute. You're such a sweetie.
Look at little baggy foot.
No.
Don't eat that. Give her some more.
Oh, yucky. Caca. More.
Cover her up. Sound like she's in the sand.
Love those wood chips. Ah, thank you. How's that one? Thank you. Oh, that's pretty. Nice. Yeah, you like that? I got one too. Thank you. Oh, I dropped it. Where'd it go? Give me more. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. More? Oh, thank you. Thank you. You like that? Ooh, what's that? No. Caca. So cute. Give me that. You're so cute. Ooh, that's very pretty. Pretty. Those are pretty too. Oh. Oh, I wonder if they just feel good. She just wants to look at them. It's different than anything anywhere else. Oh.
Get out of your mouth.
Ooh.
Pretty.
Pretty. Pretty. Pretty. Pretty.
Mama?
Mama?
Where's your mama?
Mama?
Where's Auntie Alyssa?
Alyssa!
She's so amazed with
I
him.
know. Pretty. Pretty. She'd sit for hours and play with those wood chips. Wouldn't you? Yeah. What's going on? Oh, caca! Pretty? Pretty? Thank you. About it? Caca. Mama, Baba, Dada, baby. Pretty. Let's pick up handful after handful.
I know. Uh-oh. He's on the move. Uh-oh. Oh. Moving to a different spot.
just wants to see if they're all the same everywhere.
Hey, why are you over there?
It's all bendy.
See anymore.
What's here, Michelle? Oh,
Hey, she wants to hide so she can put stuff in her mouth. She got a whole mouthful, honey. Oh, she can let you eat that.
Ooh. Ooh.
Put her shirt down, honey.
You sit, baby. I'm trying to fix your shirt.
Oh, no.